Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to set up the Calendly. Alright, so go to calendly.com and immediately you can sign up if you don't have an account yet. So I'm signed into mine right now. So the first thing is you can go to add an event types, click here, and then you can click create. So kat sini I have a few already, which is it could be a free consultation. You can change it up to you. Like for example, if I want to create a new event type it means that it's recurring. One-off meeting is just for that one meeting that you want to create, right? So it could be one-on-one, or it could be a group, but it's okay. So let's click one-on-one, and my event type is let's just say consultation, and let's just put it for 15 minutes. All right, 15-minute consultation application. I'm gonna set it up on Zoom and book a 15-minute clarity consultation or clarity call with me to okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, and then event link. You can put Calendly blah blah blah, or you can just like put Calendly detergent. I like it to be simple, so I'm gonna put consultation or clarity, or people don't understand that. Let's just put consultation, right? And kind of like my color. So go next, and then we're gonna set it for 15 minutes. I'm just gonna put 30 days because if you already know what your calendar is like, you can put for 30 minutes. But I like to put just 30 days so that I could control it. Use an existing schedule or set up custom hours. So it's up to you. I'm gonna put default hours, and my default hours are this, which is wrong. It's wrong. Okay, so I gotta change my schedule, but we can do this later. Okay, so just go next. Okay. Uh, yeah, you can collect whatever. Okay, the pre-plan limited. Never mind, because mine is a free account. Oh, oh no. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to home and see whether they saved that event. Let's see. What did it say? There you go. About 15-minute consultation. Okay, so let's adjust our time clock. Go to schedule events, and so far we have no upcoming one. Let's go to availability. So we can set our availability. When are we free to see new people? So we can set default hours here. So I only set bookings for Tuesday to Wednesday, but these are not the hours. So let's change that, guys. Let's change the default hours. Change it. Edit all Tuesdays. So I don't want to do any more Tuesdays. So let's go with Tuesday. Yeah, I want to edit all Tuesdays. So I'm gonna apply all Tuesdays not available. So I'm just gonna open up Wednesday. So edit all Wednesdays. Okay, so that's easier for me. So what I do is I set it up to the time that I can set, like bookings, which is 4 to 5 p.m. That's it, and apply. So now it changes to all of these, and because this is set on default, so whenever they book my time, they can only see this, right? That's available. So let's say if you want to open up a new date, you can do this. You can click on this date and then edit dates. If it's just for that one day, you go to edit dates. Okay, for example, like this. just edit that one day. Okay, specific date. If you want all Fridays, then you just click all Fridays. I hope that is clear. So it's really up to you, okay? All right, so that's it. And then when you are done, what you do is you go back to home and you make sure that you select the event type that you want to share out, which is I want to share out this one. Okay. Let's like what's this? I wanna delete this. I wanna off this. Okay. When it's on, so I wanna turn this on. So it's just 15 minutes, right? Okay, so and then copy the link and then we can just straight away share to people. Okay, copy link, copy. And then the link you can straight away share on your Instagram bio, your Facebook, wherever, or your email, whatever that you want people to connect with you. That's it. That's it, guys. Thank you.